Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying. Stay, stay, stay. Baby, please don't go.
Hi guys, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make a summer bun using KANEKALON hair. So begin by gathering all our hair into a very high ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Also you can use some braiding to smooth out your hair. You want to tie everything using an elastic. I will recommend you to use a clear one because you'll have to hide it. Then you want to grab your KANEKALON hair and bring it through the elastic like I'm showing, making sure the KANEKALON is equal from both sides. Then you want to grab a small tiny piece from your hair and wrap it around your ponytail, but this is totally optional because then you will hide everything with your KANEKALON hair. Now you want to divide all your hair and make a row braid. Basically you twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. I'll suggest you to use equal parts of your hair and KANEKALON on either side. When you finish your braid, you want to tie it using a clear elastic. Wrap it around your bun, making sure the bun is beautiful. You want to pin it from this side. Use a hairspray if you need, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this easy summer hairstyle. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 days a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.